If you want to link more arc prefab cabins together, or if you want to create your own design by fitting partition walls, we will be pleased to provide you with further information. Arc prefab cabins can be combined any way you like. Your cabins will be delivered in the right panel order according to your building layout as shown in this example. The transport protection is removed if existing cabin needs to be linked together. The unnecessary panels have to be taken out. The cabins can now be placed together. The gap for a perfect link is 2 cm and has to be adjusted accordingly. Take the necessary linking kit. The special rubber seal is placed between the cabin frames and is knocked in carefully. The final setting of the gap to 1.5 cm is achieved by the use of provided tension rods. Inside the cabin, the floor covering plate is made of stainless steel and is filled with insulation materials. The corner posts are covered with side cover trims with insulation materials inside. The ceilings are covered with ceiling cover trims in the same way. In order to create larger room sizes, 4 cabins are linked together on the short and long side, as shown you in this example. In doing so, attention has to be paid to the correct order of assembling. Cabin 1 and 2 are sealed on the long side, as shown previously. After that, cabin 3 is positioned on the short side and sealed in the same way. Now cabin 4 is being put into place. The remaining long and short sides are covered with a special rubber seal placing from the center to the outside. The remaining part of the rubber seal is used to cover the internal gaps of cabin 4. After that, the cabin combination is bolted together by using external tension bolts. The covering of the corner posts on the roof frame is done by using the provided cover trims. Your arc prefab modular system is now ready for use. Internal partitioning can be fitted to create even more personalized room layout. The AL profiles are fitted to the floor according to your ground plan. The partition wall is inserted into the AL profiles and is lined up vertically. The correct position is marked on the ceiling and partition wall is removed. The wood profile is fixed to the ceiling. After that, the partition wall is reinserted and screwed on to the wood profile. Your desired modular solution is completed. To increase the ability, tension rods are put into the position provided. Now the screws on the fastening clips of each panel are being tightened and the tension rods are tightened slightly. The electrical connection can now be established. To avoid mixing up cables, special plug-in connections are provided. All electrical installations meet the current international regulations. And now fix the PVC drain pipe. The hollow spaces in the roof are filled with insulation material, and vapor seal is placed on the inside of the panel in order to obtain better thermal insulation. The covered trims are fitted. The skirting boards can also be used to cover telephone cables. The neon lights are now being fitted. Your cabin is now ready for use.